Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable direct messages on Discord. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, on how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up or sign into Discord and select the little U icon down in the bottom right corner to launch your profile page. Then select the gear icon up at the top right. Underneath account settings, select content and social. And then scroll down underneath server settings where it says direct messages, allow DMs from other server members. Toggle this to the off position and select yes so you can make this change apply to all of your existing servers. And that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.